On October 29, 2012, Hurricane Sandy approached the east coast of the United States as a Category 2 hurricane. Hurricane-force winds and storm surges created the highest waves ever recorded in the western Atlantic. It is the fourth costliest hurricane in United States history. At 8 p.m., Hurricane Sandy came ashore by Atlantic City, New Jersey, with 90 miles per hour winds. In New York City, these strong winds combined with an already high tide and caused a 14-foot wave surge in the New York harbor. New Jersey and New York, along with other coastal cities, experienced widespread flooding. In New York City, streets were submerged underwater, schools were closed, and flooded subway tunnels shut down public transportation. Flood damage caused power outages and made it difficult for emergency services to respond to calls. Overall, Hurricane Sandy impacted more than a dozen states, damaged at least 650,000 homes, and caused $70.2 billion worth of damage. Shown here are the areas of New York City that were flooded during Hurricane Sandy. Unfortunately, many of these areas have been flooded again since Sandy and are still susceptible to flooding. Scientists found that from 1800 to 2000, the chances of Sandy-level floods have tripled from once every 1,200 years to once every 400 years, due to the slow sinking of the land in the mid-Atlantic region in response to the last ice age. Researchers also estimated that floods like Hurricane Sandy's would become 4.4 times more likely by the end of the 21st century based on the expected rate of sea level rise. Changes in size, intensity, and tracks of hurricanes may also lead to a threefold increase in flooding. Even if the number of strong hurricanes has not increased between now and 2100, sea level rise alone will likely increase the frequency of Sandy-like events. In response to Hurricane Sandy and predicted problems due to climate change, New York City has implemented a climate resiliency program. They plan to make infrastructure and buildings more resilient, reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 80% by 2050, and they've conducted the Water Energy Nexus study. This study quantified the impact of the city's watershed protection, green infrastructure, water management and conservation, and wetland restoration programs. New York City has several projects in the works, such as the development of coastal protections, the Eastside Coastal Resiliency Project, and several smaller flood protection measures, including water-filled dams and sand-filled barriers. New York City is also planning to extend the shoreline on the east side of Manhattan to protect the area from sea level rise.